So my name is Javed and I'm from third semester CSE department. So as you know that today we are going to present the data set which we have analyzed. So basically I downloaded Spotify data set from Google and then I linked with Jupyter Notebook, and I am going to explain you how the songs are most streamed in Spotify, and who are the artists got most times top 10 and those all. So so as you can see here, most streamed Spotify songs, and in this data set, as you can see here, 953 rows are there and 24 columns are there, and after that the top 4 rows I printed here, and then last 5. So moving to our first graph, that is total number of times top 10 artists got top 10 in Spotify. So as you can see here, Taylor Swift got 34 times top 10 in Spotify, and then the artist Weekend got up to 24 times top 10, and then as you can see here, many more artists got top 10 in Spotify. So these are the top 10 artists who got most time top 10 in Spotify. And then moving ahead, you can see here top 5 artists with the most tracks. You can see Taylor Swift got up to 34, and then Weekend and 22, and so on. You can see here the artists is Taylor Swift, Drake, and Ed Sheeran, and the Weekend. It's just a picture. And after that, the top 5 most streamed songs on Spotify. First is Blinding Lights by The Weeknd, up to more than 3.5 billion times this song streamed in Spotify. And then next coming to Shape of You, which is by Ed Sheeran, which is more than 3.5 billion times also. And then Someone You Love, and then Dance Monkey, and other one. And I just picked 2 artists here. For example, I picked here the Weeknd artist. As you can see here, the top stream song by The Weeknd. So I just picked this artist. You can see here the top stream songs by The Weeknd. So these are the number of streams, like in billions, and you can see here these are the songs. So first one is Blinding Light, and then Starboy, and then The Hills, Die For You, etc. These songs were most streamed by for this particular artist. And then another example, the artist Taylor Swift, you can see a Black Space, Shake It Off, and etc. And after that, the top 10 songs in Spotify playlist. So in Spotify app we have playlist. So the users who uses Spotify, uses Spotify, they just like those songs and get them into playlist. So for example, here you can see Get Lucky. This is a song. More than 50,000 playlists. This song is present in Spotify users, and then these are the other songs. After that, top 10 songs by number of streams. So I just showed you. So this is basically audio trait correlation. You can see here the percent where the particular song contains the parameters, for example, liveness and instrumentless and energy. These are the percentage in that particular song which gives you. And this is correlation between platform. We have in Apple Store, we also have Apple Music app. So in Apple Playlist, Apple Chart, and same as Deezer. In those playlists, these common songs are also present. So that's it. Thank you.